By the end of this module, you will identify the key legal rights of older adults as protected under national and global law, recognize signs of abuse and understand legal mechanisms for reporting and intervention, apply principles of informed consent, mental capacity, and guardianship in elderly care, understand institutional responsibilities and the importance of policy compliance, promote a culture of advocacy, safety, and respect for the elderly. As people age, they often become increasingly vulnerable, not only physically, but also socially, financially, emotionally, and legally. Elder abuse, neglect, exploitation, and inadequate care can go unrecognized or unreported, particularly in institutions, family settings, or isolated living conditions. This module provides an advanced, in-depth exploration of the legal rights of older adults, the mechanisms for protection, and the professional responsibilities of caregivers, institutions, and policymakers. It delves into national and international legal standards, human rights conventions, ethical principles, and multisectoral safeguarding protocols designed to prevent elder abuse, uphold dignity, and enforce justice. Furthermore, it empowers you to recognize early warning signs of abuse, understand mandatory reporting procedures, and take steps toward building an accountability ecosystem in elderly care. By focusing on legal literacy, compliance, and institutional duty of care, this module plays a transformative role in shaping a safe, secure, and respectful world for aging populations. Legal rights of older adults, Human Rights Framework: rights to health, safety, equality, respect, and dignity. Rights to freedom from discrimination, especially in health, housing, employment, and public life. Legal charters. United Nations Principles for Older Persons, 1991. Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, CRPD. National constitutions and aging policies, empowering the elderly to understand and assert their legal rights. Understanding elder abuse, types of elder abuse: physical, hitting, slapping, use of restraints; emotional, insults, threats, isolation; sexual, non-consensual sexual contact; financial, theft, fraud, misuse of property; neglect, failure to provide adequate care, food, hygiene; abuse settings, homes, hospitals, nursing homes, public spaces; risk factors, cognitive decline, e.g., dementia; dependency on caregivers; social isolation, institutional underregulation; recognizing and reporting elder abuse; warning signs: unexplained bruises, malnutrition, depression, withdrawal; sudden changes in finances; poor hygiene or untreated medical issues; professional duty of care; legal obligation to report suspected abuse; whistleblower protections for reporting employees; role of social services, adult protection agencies, law enforcement; informed consent and mental capacity. Informed consent requires understanding of options and outcomes, voluntariness, competency to decide. When elderly individuals lack mental capacity due to dementia, stroke, etc., decisions must be in their best interest, made by legally appointed proxies, e.g., via power of attorney or guardianship. Legal and ethical implications of forced treatment, guardianship, advocacy, and power of attorney. Durable power of attorney, DPOA, allows appointed person to make financial or medical decisions. Guardianship, conservatorship. Court-assigned decision-making for incapacitated persons. Role of independent advocates in speaking on behalf of isolated or abused elders. Importance of advanced directives and living wills. Institutional and organizational responsibilities. Care homes, clinics, hospitals, NGOs must comply with licensing requirements, staff background checks and training, abuse prevention policies, record keeping and complaint mechanisms. Failure to comply can lead to legal penalties, deregistration, public lawsuits, cultural competence and legal safeguards. Addressing elder mistreatment in patriarchal family systems, tribal traditions, religious communities, balancing cultural respect with legal protection from abuse, legal education campaigns, and community-based elder protection networks. Death, will execution, and posthumous rights legal duties, post-death, death certification, execution of wills, property transfer, preventing post-death abuse, unauthorized asset seizures, identity fraud, role of executors and probate courts, global innovations in safeguarding, helplines, e.g., elder abuse hotlines, e-alerts for suspicious financial activity, smart cameras in care homes, blockchain for legal record storage, global awareness days like World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, June 15th, creating a culture of protection and advocacy, public education and media campaigns, community reporting frameworks, training frontline workers, empowering elders through legal clinics, support groups, digital literacy,